Hey friends, if you're new here, you might want to catch up on our wreath making tutorial. Today, we're sharing valuable insights and tips to ensure your wreaths turn out beautiful and professional looking. Tip number 1, choose a theme for your wreath. This could be a seasonal theme, a specific color scheme, or a specific style. Having a clear theme in mind will help guide your design decisions. Tip number 2, select fresh materials that are in season. This will ensure your wreaths look vibrant and last longer. Tip number 3, use a sturdy base for your wreath. This could be a wireframe base, a foam base, or even a grapevine design. Tip number 4, pay attention to balance and proportion. Make sure your wreath is visually appealing from all sides. Tip number 5, mix and match different textures to add depth and interest to your wreath. Tip number 6, don't overcrowd your wreath. Leave some space between elements to create a clean and elegant look. Tip number 7, add focal points to draw the eye to specific areas of the wreath that you want people to pay special attention to. Tip number 8, consider the hanger. Consider the hanger or attachment method for your wreath. Make sure it's sturdy and won't damage the door or the wall. Tip number 9, experiment with different shapes. Experiment with different shapes and forms to create a unique wreath. Tip number 10, most importantly, have fun. Creating wreaths is a process and it's okay to experiment and try new things. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips inspire you to create your own stunning wreaths. Don't forget to share your creations with us on social media using #uniquelyarranged. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.